Do you think at this time the APC National Chairman should be zoned to North Central? Do you think that's what APC needs right now?
Of course, I speak in my capacity as the Director General of Tinubu Chairmanship Forum and a critical stakeholder of APC. The issue of leadership concerns every member of the party, and we believe in equity, justice, and fairness. We are totally in support of the chairmanship being retained in the North Central. North Central have done so well in their local elections, state elections, to the presidency. I see reason why a zone that are delivered in all scope of the election should be denied of its original position as chairman. Every other zone sustain and retain their position. Why is it that the North Central that delivered Plateau State, that delivered Kogi State, delivered in Benue State, will not be allowed to keep the chairman? So we are of the support that Mr. President, 27 is by the corner. For us to work hard, for us to benefit from the work we have done, return back chairman of the party to the North Central for equity and fair play. Yes. The issue of 5 out of 6 is established. If you have a wife, first wife, and the children are not doing good, your last wife, the children are doing good, will you say because your first wife is first wife, the children are not doing good, you should give? No, you give to the last one that the children are doing better. North Central must give chairman. The Southwest, when Omishele left, they brought Bashiru from the same state to replace Omishele. Why is it that Abdullahi was put out of it and you brought Ganduje from far north? You know it's not good now. We are saying that let us be careful about 2027. As we speak now, Kanu, we have lost it. Ganduje did not deliver his council board, did not deliver local government, neither the state or the presidential election. What are you telling us? No need. We want it be done in a proper way so that all of us will be fine and go to 2027 and win the election. Let chairman of the party go back to North Central. He was not voted for. He was just shuffled. So we are asking that the chairman of the party will return back to North Central. Finish.
Thank you.
Second question.
We talked about the graph allegation against Mr. Chairman. That is his own business. We are not interested. The relevant agency know what to do with him. We are talking about our own party.
What of for the credibility of the party?
Credibility is for himself, not for the party. The party must show their way out of the party. After all, I'm like the same thing. Anybody that does not have the merit should be shown the way out. Our party is not meant for tips.
What some people are saying is because of they are trying to clear out.
Let him go to those graph agencies. It's not our business. There is a place to clear himself. The party is for party. Where to clear names, there's a place there. Go there. When you are fine, you come back.
As a group, do you have a choice candidate?
No. The best candidate should emerge. But it should be from the North Central.
All right.